Hi, my name is Belle and welcome to Emerge Local's Xpert Series. For this episode, I'm going to share some tips and strategies on how you can make your own viral content. But first things first, what makes something go viral? According to Jonah Berger, an expert on viral marketing, your content will grow viral if you create something that your consumers would want to tell their friends about. To do that successfully, first you have to know which platform to use to launch your viral content campaign. Now, among these platforms are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even Snapchat. Remember that all of these will not give you the same results, so you still have to choose the best platform to post your content. Second, keep in mind that positive, uplifting content always gets shared. There's already so much negativity happening in this world. Why do you think cat videos go viral online every time? Because they're innocent and wholesome. Distracts you from the mess that is the world. However, if it's for business purposes, you should always stick to useful and on-brand content that generates emotion. Everybody's doing it nowadays. A few big brands that do this are Jollibee, Nike, Globe, the list goes on. Some key emotions that make your content go viral are awe, anger, anxiety, fear and surprise, joy, and lust. Bottom line is, if you're writing content just for the sake of it, you do you. But if you want to generate traffic, use emotion as a foundation for your content. Keep in mind that this is just the square one of a bigger plan for your content to go viral. It also depends on how you will execute it. And if you need help with all of that, all of us at Emerge Local will be more than happy to guide you on that journey. How about you send us a message? We'll wait. My name is Belle and this is Emerge Local's Xpert Series. See you on our next video!